What is up, YouTube? It is Mikey, and today we are going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. So let's play. It is a bit laggy, yeah, I know. So let's play, right? I'm going to go to the 25B one. For all of you out there, if you don't have 25Bs, you have 22, here's a glitch. So what you do is you have to have 22Bs, you buy the red cannon, boom! I'm gonna do this up here. Heal blaster. Guys, you may hear but I have a very sore throat today. You might not hear that, but I do. So it might sound a bit bad. Okay. Go for the spider field. Come on! Come on. Come on. Right. Come on, let's do it. OMG! Crazy! Yay! I'm crazy! I nearly have the Monty belt bag, which is very, very cool. It's very cool. And guys, subscribe to Jim, Mick, Newtech JJYT, and subscribe to Amy and Sophia Bishop. Subscribe to them, they're cool YouTubers, and they're my YouTuber friends. Come on. Come on, let's do it. Come on. I'm nearly done it. No! Just gonna check something. Hold up. Yep. Come on. So guys, we'll have to end the video quickly today. Subscribe and like, comment down below if you want me to do any more videos like this. See y'all soon, bye!